you got the POV going, cruising around. Not really cruising, I'm actually headed somewhere. Just want to do a little quick POV of the Charger. This thing drives pretty good, no lie. It rides smooth as hell, pretty quick. The throttle response is amazing. I mean, I enjoy the car. I would keep it, but I already got too many cars, so this is just gonna end up being a flip. I'm gonna drive it in the meantime until I do flip it. Like, no check engine lights, nothing. Everything's pretty good. It's not too bad on gas, honestly, for it being a V8. Can't play any music, obviously, because copyright issues. Don't want any kind of problems with that, you know what I mean? Got my Yeti flask right here with some good water in it. So yeah, I wish this light wasn't so long, but you're in a populated city, what you expect. And look at this guy right here. Oh, I'm embarrassing. He's probably trying to get a little quick race in. He has an SRT. I have just an RT. I'm not trying it, especially in the city. But shout out to dude though. That's what it's like driving out here. You can get into something real quick and easy. You know what I mean? But yeah. We're about to actually get on the freeway. I want to put an exhaust on this thing and make it louder. That'll eventually come. Hopefully my view is pretty good. I can't tell myself, but hopefully it's good. Oh, they played me on this light, but whatever. You can hear the exhaust a little bit, but if I got a muffler delete, oh, it sounds so much better. Windows up. Alright, let's get to our destination. Yeah, this thing is smooth as hell. Powerful. It's 5.7 liter Hemi V8. You know, I think it said it had like 390 horsepower, which is pretty good. I'm sure with like minimal mods, you can easily touch 400. But I don't plan on doing all that extra stuff. If it was a car I planned on keeping, hell yeah. And right now, it's only 514 right now. If that was a little bit later, I'd hop in the HOV lane, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm risking a damn ticket. And yeah, you could take the straights, but the straights would take way longer than the freeway. This is gonna be a quick little video, just showing driving around. I wish the roads were more open, but it is what it is. right now I'm doing like 60, between 60 and 65. That's California traffic, so what you expect, you know, you can't do too much out here. Especially in commute traffic. And I'm not the type to just switch through lanes just because you mess around and just get nowhere doing that shit. Forget that. You end up way behind somebody. Switch lanes, you know what? Let's take it. But my exit's about to come up in a second here. But we about to hit 80 in a second. We're doing like 75, 78. Let's see. I was gonna try to cut up a little bit for you guys, but can't do too much. There's too many cars, and I'm not jeopardizing my life or putting anybody else's life at risk. You know what I mean? Forget that. That's not cool. That's not funny. I hate shit like that. California's traffic usually flows at 80. And it's like we're all doing 80. You can't pull everybody over, right? Look at all this damn traffic. Look at this shit here. Everybody's going home from work right now. I don't know why when I start making this video, I start coughing. Let's see, I'm over here, this lane, I gotta get all the way over. Got it. I gotta get over one more so I can hit my turn up here. It's really no way to really get through this shit. It's so thick in here. Fuck it. Hell, I had to cut them off, but shit. What can you do? I feel like I showed a lot of time in fucking stoplights on this video. Drove a little bit, but it's cool. I mean, this is my first POV driving video, you know what I mean? So I'll take all criticism for it, so the next one could be better for whatever next vehicle I do one on. Man, what is this person right here doing? She's just on the island. the heck? As you can see, I can get up pretty quick in this vehicle. There it goes. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. I'm about to hit the store, and I'll talk to y'all later on.